Come here na. I'll cry na. Sabi ni teacher, color the hard objects red. Ang table ba, hard or soft?
Hard.
Hard. So, you have to color it red.
Hindi. Brown.
Why brown?
Kasi hindi red. Oh, red.
Alin?
Yung nga red. 1, 2, oh, red.
Sabi nga kasi ni teacher, red. Color the hard.
Brown.
Sabi.
1, 2, oh, red. Oh,
Anong color ng table?
brown.
Sabi nga kasi ni teacher, color the hard objects red. Ano ba ang table? Hard or soft?
Hard.
Oh, hard. So, you have to color it red.
No, brown.
Sabi ni teacher. Come here na. Let's color na. Red, ha? Red.
Ito.
Oh, red, ha? Sabi kasi ni teacher, eh. Ha? Okay? Oh, color na. Don't use brown, ha? Next time na lang yung brown, okay? Very good. Oh, ayos. Ayos, wag lalampas ang color. What kind of color is that? Tingnan mo, hindi mo na inayos. Sabi ko, wag lalampas sa line.
Kasi yung puan brown.
Sabi nga kasi ni teacher, red pagka hard object. Oh, tingnan mo. Nakasulat, color, soft objects blue, hard objects red. Oh, ano bang table? Hard or soft?
Hard.
Oh, di dapat red ang color.
Hindi brown.
Sabi, I'll cry na.
Oh, later.
Okay lang. Okay na. Tapos na tayo sa assignment. Write naman. Let's write. We will write, diagonal lines. Ha? Where's your notebook? Oh, where's your pencil? Here's your notebook pala. Ra-write na tayo? O, sige. After that, we will write na. Okay? Okay po? Love you.